Parrots are one of the most fascinating creatures on Earth, known for their vibrant colors, remarkable intelligence, and exceptional ability to mimic human speech. First, it's important to understand that parrots belong to the family Psittacidae, part of the order Psittacines. There are over 372 species of parrots, ranging from the tiny Poicephalus senegalis, Senegal parrot, to the larger Amazona imperialis, imperial Amazon. The reason for their brilliant feathers lies in their diet. Parrots eat a diet rich in fruits, nuts, and seeds, which provide them with the necessary pigments to show off their vibrant hues. Some parrots can even change colors during their lifetimes. Parrots are incredibly intelligent creatures. They can solve problems, use tools, and even understand human emotions. One study showed that African Grey Parrots can recall thousands of words and phrases, making them one of the most intelligent birds on the planet. Parrots' ability to mimic human speech is another aspect that makes them so intriguing. They can learn to mimic a wide variety of sounds, including whistles, human speech, and even household noises. This ability has led to their use in entertainment and communication, such as in movies and telegraphy. In the wild, parrots play a crucial role in their ecosystems. They help disperse seeds through their droppings, contributing to the growth of new plant life. Some species also pollinate flowers, aiding in the reproduction of various plant species. Unfortunately, many parrot species are endangered due to habitat loss, illegal pet trade, and climate change. Efforts to conserve these amazing creatures and their habitats are essential to ensure their survival. In captivity, parrots can make wonderful pets. They require a balanced diet, mental stimulation, and social interaction. It's important to remember that parrots can live for many years, sometimes over 80 years, so they need a lifelong commitment. In conclusion, parrots are a marvel of the animal kingdom. Their vibrant colors, intelligence, and ability to mimic human speech make them fascinating creatures. By understanding and protecting these amazing animals, we can ensure their survival for future generations to enjoy.